Hello gentlemen, we are Friday the 5th of April. It's a bit breezy out today, but the sun's shining and things are looking really good. Nipped down to Morrison's today, bought these which smell absolutely divine. Things are growing really well. Now the sun's coming through. These are some Petunia plugs that I received a couple of weeks ago. I'll show you the difference. These are a few weeks ago. They've been in these 9cm pots and a couple of feeds. And I have just received these this morning. So hi Monkey Apple. Here we have, we have this 10 in here, and we have 4 titanium lavender, 4 purple vein, and 2 titan white. Just want to remind everybody that when you get these are basically, if you get them and you've got a nice warm windowsill, you should never have to buy petunias again. I've splashed out this year. I've spent quite a few pounds on some nice petunias to grow them from seed, which I've done before. So I'm going to keep taking cuttings from these, build up my stock, because I want a really good show. Not this summer, which I will get a good show out of them this summer, but next summer. So what I'm going to do with these, from running out of space, I'm going to transfer these into these. There is 4, 6, 8, 16, 26, 22, 4, 6, yeah, 24. Well, that baffled me for a second. 24 in here. So these are all marked. I don't know if you can see this here. They're all marked with letters of the alphabet. And then all you have to do is read them off here, and you know which one's which. This one is J. So J will be a white. I and J are white. So then I'll go into my tags here, get the white ones out, and we'll be sorted. There we go, titanium white there, 2 of those. Get those out, put them to one side. It's absolutely, I've got the greenhouse door open, the windows open, it's nice and breezy, but it's still 28 degrees in here. So what I'm going to do with these is, first of all, fill this with some peat-free compost. It's got a mixture of John Innes, which is a really good potting and seed soil compost mixed in with it. So we shall get these in like so. I'm going to mark each one because I don't want to get these mixed up. And then I get my little pen to make a hole on my finger. Use the finger, see if it's quite big. I'll get these like so. Sorry about being one-handed, folks. Put a little bit. So much compost in here. I forgot how deep the plugs go. They're quite deep. And a little bit more on the edge. You want them planted at exactly the same height that they were when they were plug plants. And you can see that here. So you want it exactly the same height. That's one done. I'll get the other one done here, folks. Hope everybody's keeping well here in sunny South Yorkshire. It's been raining, it seems to be been raining for weeks, but it hasn't. The garden is absolutely saturated, so I'm not going to be doing anything in there for a few days. Just going to let it dry out so it doesn't turn to a quagmire. That's them 2 done. So I'll get on with the rest, show you at the end, and we'll put it in the tray there. Right, that's them done there, all potted on. So I've got 10 in there. They'll only be in here 2 or 3 weeks. They'll fatten up nicely, and I'll keep pinching the tops out like here. But yeah, as soon as you get these, open them up, pot them on the same day. If you can't, open the packet and put a little bit of water on them, but don't leave it more than a couple of days, otherwise you end up losing them, which I've done before. So these have been potted on into some peat-free compost with John Innes in there. I water them from the top, and then there's water in these seeds propagated in the bottom. That's why these seeds are doing really well. So yeah, that'll suck all the moisture up, and then after a few weeks they will start looking like these that have been potted up a few weeks. So yeah, before and after. And I'll keep pruning these back, pinching these out, get a nice big thick bushy plant, and then I can start taking loads of cuttings, probably sell some at the car boat this year. Yeah, and that's it. That's potting on my Thompson and Morgan Petunia Giants mix. Really pleased with those. If you've got any questions about anything in my videos, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe, it really helps. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Everybody please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.